Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummies using watermelon. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: fresh watermelon, unflavored gelatin, and a touch of your favorite sweetener. Next, we'll prepare the watermelon by blending and straining it to get a smooth, vibrant juice. This simple method ensures delicious, homemade treats. We'll then combine everything and gently heat the mixture until it's perfectly dissolved and ready for the next step. To begin, cut about 2 cups of fresh watermelon into chunks and blend them until smooth. Strain this juice through a fine mesh sieve to ensure your gummies are perfectly clear and pulp-free. This step is crucial for a smooth texture. Now, pour 1/2 cup of the cold watermelon juice into a bowl and sprinkle 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin over it. Let it sit for 5 minutes to bloom, becoming thick and ready to dissolve. Now gently heat the remaining 1 1/2 cups of watermelon juice in a saucepan over low heat. Do not boil it. Once warm, add the bloomed gelatin mixture, stirring continuously until it completely dissolves and there are no lumps. This usually takes just a few minutes. Finally, stir in about 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, like honey or maple syrup, adjusting to your taste. Carefully pour the warm, gummy mixture into your chosen silicone molds or a shallow, parchment-lined dish. Ensure the molds are on a flat surface for even setting. Transfer them to the refrigerator and chill for at least 3 hours, or until they are firm to the touch. Once set, pop them out of the molds or cut them into desired shapes. These homemade watermelon gummies are a delightful, refreshing treat. Remember to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.